I'm OLANGO, the Regional Director of TVETS, in charge of Kisii, Nyamira, Migori and Homa Bay counties. As you are aware, the government has done what it takes to bring vocational and technical training closer to the people. And to this effect, we have 13 national polytechnics around the country. The government has ensured that every constituency has a technical and vocational college, save for a few, around 52 that are yet to, have a technical and vocational college. What we require to join a technical vocational college is just a Form 4 certificate. So long as you reached Form 4, definitely when you visit a technical and a vocational college, you will get something to do. And for our vocational training centers, we only require a Class 8 certificate. Those who are not able to proceed to universities should actually take advantage of our TVET institutions that are located all over the country. I'm also happy to inform members of the public that we have an alternative career pathway for our TVET trainees. It therefore means that you can start from artisan, you acquire a certificate, you then get a diploma, a degree, master's, a PhD, and even become a professor.